The clandestine FDA operation started here at Bimsi. The officials arrived at this over-the-counter store sited near the community market and owned by native staff of the Nalirgu Baptist Medical Center. The officials found in stock several packs of falsified drugs, including this painkiller Really Extra, a falsified drug sourced to India but smuggled from Nigeria and Benin. He was also found to have been rendering illegal services against the pharmaceutical license policy for OTC operators. For example, he was found to be operating in the premises of the community chips compound. His operation has led to the almost collapse of the chips facility, as the unsuspecting community members no longer patronize its services. He was also caught operating his chemical store as a full health facility with a separate room for admission and treatment.
You see, you are admitting people here. If somebody dies here, what will you do? Huh?
When confronted with the evidence found in his store, the operator, who had earlier denied having and selling contraband drugs, remorsefully admitted and attempted to bribe the officials.
Carry your money away. I said, carry your money away. I think I have to give you to the police. Yes. You're trying to bribe the police.
I'm not trying to bribe you.
What are you doing? What is this money for?
The drama continued as the operator invited community members to help him beg after he failed to bribe the officials.
But you don't, there is literally before.
The officials, however, refused to budge and confiscated multiple boxes full of fake drugs into a waiting pickup vehicle. The operation continued in Wulugu, Pasingpe, and ended in the municipal capital Walewale. Most of the operators could not produce proper receipt for the fake drugs, which they said were sold to them by dealers in Boko, Bolga, and Tamale. The operation was led by the regional head of the Food and Drugs Authority, Martin Kusi, who spoke to Joy News after the exercise.
So Pharmacy Council will have to come in and then deal with the lapses in the practice. Then the FDA will also have to deal with him as far as the contrabands are concerned. So he will be invited, and then we together with Pharmacy Council will sit down and then make sure that the appropriate sanctions are meted out to him.
According to the authority, most of these unlicensed drugs are being smuggled into the country from Nigeria through the numerous unapproved routes. He has therefore called on the Northeast Regional Security Council to step up efforts to ensure enhanced security at the various borders in order to cut the illegal supply chain of the smuggling of contraband drugs into the area.
The strengthening of the border security, I think, is under the purview of the Regional Coordinating Council. So, of course, when we meet him, we will suggest some of the interventions that can be put, out there in order to forestall some of this eventuality, to make sure that most of these products are prevented from entering, into our border post. As I said, the Food and Drugs Authority is also planning to have a station at Bompurugu border post. Very soon, I hope by 2021, early 2022, we'll have a border post at Bompurugu to make sure that some of these things will not enter. The border. But the point is, we cannot prevent, because the borders are porous. Most people use unapproved routes. So what we have to do is to make sure that we intensify our market surveillance activity. That is to make sure that very often we go to the market, to the chemical sellers, to make sure that if they have any contraband, quickly we will just pick them from the shops.
The officials will later meet with the authorities at the Regional Health Directorate and the chairman of the Regional Security Council to brief them about the exercise. Ilyasu Tanko reporting.
Please, you are just like my father.